Hi everybody, Joe Zito here at Edwards Platt & Dealey's corporate warehouse in West Babylon. I'm gonna go over what comes inside the box on the new Watts QT toilet carriers. Okay, so once you get these are the face plates. As you can see, we open it up, cardboard, the bag of fittings. It has your gaskets and washers in, and then the carrier. The great part about these carriers is that you take it out and you are ready to go. Carrier is already assembled, as you can see, with heights on it, bolts, and the face plate. Watts has actually listened to a lot of contractors and made some adjustments to these. The previous version used to have the bolts on the side to adjust. They've now actually changed these to the front. They've put the long rods in. This will be your finished wall, as you'll see in the video a little later on. All of these bolts are the same size, so you do not have to worry about changing your tools and adapters to these and wrenches. So some of the things that Watts has gotten response back from contractors is that they've put 3/8 threaded holes here that you can put your 3/8 threaded rod to come up to your hangers, and your cold water line will be running right across, and you'll be able to come right off of here instead of having to lag into concrete or into a wall. The other item is that this will be your finished wall. The QT QuickTurn quarter turn, as you can see, they line up to where they need to be. All you need to do is take some lube that comes inside, you put it around the O-ring that's here. So you line up your piece to your O-ring, give it a little push, and turn. Now you're ready to be tested. You need to make this piece shorter and bring the plate back based on your wall size. All you need to do is just cut this piece of plastic, and how you do that is you turn it and bring it out. Cut it to the length you need and then put it back in. It's pretty simple for it, and then you make the turn. All the items that you're going to need are on the inside. You have your stand, your bolts, your gaskets, and the back gasket. All of these can be used with back-to-back toilets or singles. All you need to do is just get your direction that you need once you're ordered. All these plates can be installed in a gang, in a row, as you'll see in the video we're going to show you on how these are installed in the field. So the Watts QT carrier, as you can see, is versatile, easy to install, and labor savings. That is the biggest thing that we can tell you. So take a look at us on LinkedIn, but yet follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and for any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.